Yesterday, now we have studied the breathing, that is the first steps of mechanism of respiration. As you know, the respiration involves four steps: breathing, external respiration, internal respiration, and the cellular respiration. Now today we will discuss the external respiration, that is the exchange of gases at the alveolar level. Now external respiration, that is the process in which the exchange of gases at alveolar level, or in another definition, the exchange of gases between the atmospheric air and into the lungs. Now the alveolar or alveolus, now which consisting of a single layer of squamous epithelium. Is it clear? Now that is this black color, the alveolus, which is consisting of a single layer of squamous epithelium, which is rests on the basement membrane. Now the blood capillaries, now this part, that is the blood capillaries. Now the wall of capillaries also made up of a single layer of the squamous epithelium. That means both the layers are thin wall, and now both layers are generally similar structure. Here, yes, what is the structure? Alveolus. Now alveolus is made up of a layer of squamous epithelium. Now similarly, the capillary wall, which is also made up of a single layer of squamous epithelium. Both layers are thin walled, and now they have the similar structure. Now the diffusion of gases, now they are occurs from higher partially pressure to the lower partially pressure until reach the two region equilibrium. Now the partial pressure of oxygen in alveolus air is 104 mm mercury. What is the partial pressures of this air in alveolus? 104 mm mercury. Now the partial pressure of oxygen, now in alveolus, now the partial pressure of oxygen in blood capillaries, now which is 40 mm mercury. Due to this difference, what's happened? Due to this difference, now the oxygen, or this oxygen from alveolus, which is diffuses into the blood capillaries due to the pressure gradient. Is it clear? What is the pressure, partial pressure of oxygen in alveolus air? 104 mm mercury. Now what is the partial pressure of oxygen in blood capillaries? Now that is only 40 mm mercury. And due to this, what's happened? Now these oxygen which is diffuses into the blood capillaries. Now similarly, the partial pressure of carbon dioxide in blood capillaries is 45 mm mercury. What is the partial pressures of these carbon dioxide in blood capillaries? 45 mmHg, while the partial pressure of carbon dioxide in alveolus is 40 mmHg. What is partial pressure of carbon dioxide in alveolus here? 40 mg. And what is the partial pressures of carbon dioxide in blood capillaries? Now that is the 45 mg. And hence, due to the pressure gradient or due to the difference, what's are happen? Now this carbon dioxide which is diffuses from blood capillaries into the alveolus. Is it clear? म्हणजे काय होतं याच्यामध्ये की अल्व्हिओलस मध्ये जे एअर्स आहेत त्याचं पार्शियल प्रेशर 104 mm मर्क्युरी राहते आणि या ब्लड मध्ये जे ब्लड पल्मोनरी आर्टरी कडून आणले जाते याच्यामध्ये ऑक्सिजनचं पार्शियल प्रेशर 40 राहते आणि म्हणून दोन मध्ये डिफरन्स असल्यामुळे नाव हे जे आहे ऑक्सिजन नाव विच इज डिफ्युजेस इनटू द ब्लड ऑफ कॅपिलरीज. त्याचप्रमाणे कार्बन डायऑक्साइडचं पार्शियल प्रेशर जे ब्लड मधलं आहे ते 45 mg आहे आणि पार्शियल प्रेशर कार्बन डायऑक्साइडचं अल्व्हिओलस मध्ये आहे ते 40 mg आहे आणि म्हणून इथे डिफरन्स असल्यामुळे नाउ दिस कार्बन डायऑक्साइड which is diffuses is it clear into the alveolus. Is it clear?